Hello boys, how are you? Good afternoon. Today we start our topic temperature and temperature scales. Okay, this is our unit 10, but our syllabus finish up to unit 9. This is only extra one topic that we will start in the chapter 10. Now let we start different kind of temperature. First of all, what is temperature and what is thermometer? Temperature is the average kinetic energy of our body, okay, internal. And or you say how something hot or cold. This is temperature. And thermometer is an instrument that we use to measure temperature. Okay, and each and every measurement we measure something in different scales. Okay, for example, we measure mass in kilogram, we measure time in second. These are standard unit. Okay, and we measure length in meter, centimeter, or kilometer. Like this, temperature we measure in Celsius, but that Celsius is this is most common that we use in our daily life. But temperature has three scales: Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. You can see here. Okay, and the reading that is differ from each other. Okay, then for example, the boiling point of water, if you see in Celsius, it is 0. If you see in Kelvin, it is 273 in minus. And here in Fahrenheit, that is 32 Fahrenheit. Okay. Now here I show you different formula that we convert one unit to another. For example, he give you Celsius and you want to change it into Kelvin, then you put the value of Celsius here and plus 273. Then your answer will come in Kelvin. And for example, he give you in Celsius and you want to change it into Fahrenheit, then you in this formula you put the value in here and you can find this is in Fahrenheit. Okay, these are three formulas that we can convert from one unit to another unit. These are conversion formulas. Now then here I give you example. The temperature of a substance is 65. Calculate the temperature in Kelvin and Fahrenheit. First of all, given he give you here a Celsius scale that is in 65 Celsius. Okay, then you first of all you find in Kelvin. You know the formula Celsius plus 273 in the above slide you saw already, and then you plus this 2 and your answer is 338. This is your answer. And now next you can change this into Fahrenheit. That is formula Fahrenheit 9 by 5 multiply Celsius plus 32. Here you first of all you calculate 9 by 5 multiply 65, that is answer 117. Then you plus 32 and your answer is 149. Okay, any value he give you, but you must be remember the formula, memorize these formulas, then you can calculate any scale. He give you in Kelvin, whether he give you in Celsius, whether he give you in Fahrenheit. Now Next is internal energy and what is internal energy? The total energy of all particle of a matter. Okay, this is internal energy. And temperature, it is a measure of average kinetic energy of individual particle. Okay, it is a measure of average kinetic energy of individual particle. That is temperature. And here then thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium, when one body, hot body, put with cold body, then the energy transfer from the hot body to the cold body until the temperature become the same of two bodies. Okay, and water from the ground feel warm in winter and it feel cold in the summer. Why? Because during the winter our body temperature low, and that water that come from the ground, that is same temperature. Then because our hand temperature is low, our hand cold in the winter, so we feel warm in winter, and during summer the our body temperature high. Okay, then the water temperature is same, then we feel it is cold. Okay, this is our topic today. Okay, and you revise this. This is about temperature and thermometers and scales of temperature. And I told you already, our syllabus finished before yesterday. That was up to chapter or unit 9. Okay, bye bye. See you later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.